Hello friends, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I am Shailesh Fulsunge, father of a superboy, a hotelier since 1988, a Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into managing director and founder of Pennant Hospitality Private Limited. Once again, a beautiful topic, I would say rather micro topic on maintenance, planning and training. It's such a crucial topic, my friends. Again, I have observed in hotels which are owned and operated by the owners, this particular department is absolutely ignored. Absolutely ignored. Hotel industry. Hotel is an industry by itself. There are so many electrical, mechanical, air conditioning, your plumbing. There are so many equipments and fittings which are there in the hotel, and it's a business which is maintenance driven. The owner who has done the hotel doesn't understand how important is to have a preventive maintenance mindset. The servicing of all your required equipments. There are so many things maintenance related which are absolutely ignored, which creates a lot of burden after the property runs for a couple of years, because the new equipments will run at its own speed. Once the wear and tear happens, the maintenance items or the equipments, the electrical, plumbing, air conditioning, your kitchen machines, machineries, all the other plumbing plants, they will start giving you answers. So preventive maintenance is very important. This is absolutely ignored. Why I am pressing on absolutely ignored? I mean it. And at the end of the day, once that machinery is worn out, the capital effect is there. So you will have to put in a capital to get the new machinery erased. So what happens is, having a preventive maintenance, having the right team, having the right training is very, very essential for any hotel, whether it's a 10-room hotel or it's a 100-room hotel. It is better to have your prevention done than running for cure. So it is said, it is generally said, prevention is better than cure. I hope I have touched the vital point. So my dear friends, my dear owners, ensure that if you are ignoring your maintenance department, start working on it. Ensure some expert is there with you who is guiding you and maintaining your property, which will actually put direct effect on the plus pattern on your bottom line. If you like my video, say like, subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon. I am coming up with a lot of micro videos with lot of inputs. Till then, see you in my next video. Thank you.